It's 4 a.m. Normal people sleep in on their birthdays, but we're getting up, going for a walk. So.
Because you're going to eat lots of food.
Ooh, yeah.
Gotta look fresh for your birthday. Because it's a big day out. No way. You got a little menu?
Girlfriend service. Pancakes and cookies for breakfast. Then lunch we have nachos, then a dip platter for a snack, and then pizza for dinner, and then a dessert cake. This will burn the calories.
Breakfast is served.
Woo!
Oh my god, this steam.
Steam coming off, my god.
You have to put it together. How many pieces?
It's tricky. This is 12. Next year I'll go to 24, and then we'll dabble in the 30s the year after that.
Maybe you might reach an 1,000-piece puzzle. Each year I can make it where you have to build your birthday card.
Nice to get some fresh air. It's an adapter so I can use my headphones with my phone. Wow.
Your stupid phone.
That's great. Nice. Some cologne.
Yeah, what brand is it?
Adidas cologne. Don't know. Oh, wow.
The perfume goes with the shoes.
Oh my god.
Your red silly shoes. I've been killing you for weeks.
I don't think I've got.
They're gonna look good.
I haven't got new shoes in years. I like that.
For your stash.
America.
Hey!
Oh, presents.
I like that. It's a good fit.
I mean, it's a comfy one.
I better not shave now, ever. Shower gel, body scrub, and body lotion. Undies!
This was before we bought all your new undies. I was a bit ahead. ready for some big big boy nachos.
Woo! Trying not to get it on my front.
I'm ready for some big girl nachos.
Big mama.
Making Robbie's cake. We've had our snack and now it is time to do our TikTok live because our video has just gone live on YouTube.
Yes, so we're gonna go on there, do some shout outs, a couple of riddles, someone sing me happy birthday. We're done.
Someone singing you happy birthday?
I hope so. I hope you are. You haven't even sung it to me yet today, so slack. Oh wow, what's that, rosemary? What is in that?
Herbs and garlic.
There you go, Grandma, say hello to the camera.
Bacon down. Did they not look amazing?
Woo! And I'm on cleanup.
Robbie's birthday, Robbie's cleanup. Woo! Pizza!
Ready? With the longest wait of my life, but
So worth it.
looks great. Final meal of the day is pizza. We've stuffed ourselves all day, so it's 7:08 on the clock, so
Let's get into
we're
it!
gonna see how long it takes me to eat it.
3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Robbie. The hitman. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
There it is, just popped out.
Silly.
Blow it out! And make sure you like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. See ya!